What's happening, guys? Cody here with Edge Pro, and today I want to show you how to install the scissor pivot on your professional model sharpening system. The scissor pivot is the small block under the table, and the purpose of this part is that it allows you to lock in your sharpening angle when you use the scissor attachment. If you order a Pro and a scissor attachment at the same time, we will install the scissor pivot before we ship it out so you don't have to. But if you buy a professional model first and want to add the scissor attachment at a later date, you'll need to follow these steps. Rest your sharpening system on a soft surface with the stem facing up. Remove the top lock nut and screw using a 1/8 hex key and a 3/8 wrench. We will provide you with the 1/8 hex key, but we do not provide the 3/8 wrench. And if you have a 3/8 socket wrench handy, that would be even better, but you can certainly do it without. Save the lock nut for the next step. Next, you're going to install the 1 3/4 inch screw provided with the lock nut that you removed in the previous step. Then add one nylon washer. Next, you're going to slide the scissor pivot on and make sure it's oriented correctly. Then you can add the second washer. The second washer isn't completely necessary, so if you already own a Pro and notice that it doesn't have the outside washer, there's no need to panic, it's still going to work just fine. Finally, you're going to install the new lock nut that has been provided and gradually tighten it until you feel the slightest amount of pressure on the pivot. It's important that the pivot block is able to do exactly that, pivot. Now that your installation is complete, you'll be able to enjoy all the benefits of your new scissor attachment.